Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, is a cost-effective and efficient method for removing minor dents without repainting or extensive bodywork. Unlike traditional dent repair, which involves sanding, filling, and repainting, PDR preserves the vehicle's original paint, maintaining its aesthetic appeal and resale value. Key benefits of PDR. 1. Preserves original paint. Matching new paint to an existing color can be challenging, often leading to noticeable discrepancies. PDR eliminates this issue by restoring the metal without affecting the paint. 2. Cost-effective. Traditional dent repair involves high labor and material costs. PDR, on the other hand, requires fewer resources, making it a more affordable option. 3. Environmentally friendly. Unlike conventional repair methods, which release toxic chemicals from paints and solvents, PDR eliminates harmful waste, making it a greener alternative. 4. Maintains resale value. Vehicles with their original paint and minimal cosmetic flaws have higher resale prices. PDR ensures that dents are repaired without compromising the factory finish. PDR process. Assessment. Technicians determine if the dent is suitable for PDR. Accessing the dent. Interior panels or wheel well liners are removed to reach the dent from behind. Repair. Specialized tools reshape the metal with precision. Finishing touches. The surface is inspected to ensure a smooth finish. Best use cases. PDR is ideal for small dents caused by door dings, hail, parking lot accidents, or minor bumps. However, deep dents or those with paint damage may require traditional repair methods. Overall, PDR offers a quick, budget-friendly, and eco-friendly solution for restoring a car's appearance without compromising its factory finish. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.